top story through the day, wads of cash that were found on Congress MP Abhishek Manu Singhvi's bench. For now, we're getting a news break from J&K. This is a clampdown order that's been issued by the administration against the Rohingyas living in the valley. The order which says that there is going to be disconnection of water and electricity supplies to 400 Rohingya families who are living in Jammu region. The Revenue Department has identified 7 locations where these families are settled, 2 in Sunjwan area and 5 in Narwal Bala area, marking a significant move in the government's efforts to address the issue of illegal immigration in the region. We are also getting an official reaction on the clampdown order targeting Rohingyas living in the valley. Listen in.
हमने अभी तक इन द लास्ट 2 days 18 FIRs जो हैं साउथ जोन के अंदर रजिस्टर की हैं. पुलिस स्टेशन बाहू फोर्ट, पुलिस स्टेशन चन्नी हिम्मत, पुलिस स्टेशन सतवारी और पुलिस स्टेशन गंग्याल के अंदर. इसके जो हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोविजंस हैं लॉ के, जिसमें DM का ऑर्डर होता है 163 के अंदर, PNS के अंदर, कि अगर आपके पास कोई भी व्यक्ति आके रहना शुरू करेगा जहाँ आपकी प्रॉपर्टी को रेंट आउट करना चाहता है, जहाँ अदरवाइज आपके पास आके रह रहा है बियॉन्ड फिक्स टाइम लिमिट, so you have to inform the concerned police station and get his verification done. This becomes more important in the given scenario जो UT of J&K में prevailing security scenario है. इसके चलते ही हमने ये कार्रवाई की है. जहाँ तक क्वेश्चन रोहिंग्यास का है, तो रोहिंग्यास में जो 3 उनके लैंडलॉर्ड्स हैं जिन्होंने उनको स्पेस वहाँ पे दी ठहरने के लिए, without any proper verification who they are, from where they have come, are they actually the refugees or otherwise, that we don't know. And the similar kind of action has been taken by the civil administration also, as far as the electric connection is concerned and water connection is concerned. तो ये कलेक्टिव एक एफर्ट है साउथ जोन पुलिस की, जम्मू पुलिस की, जिसके तहत जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि पिछले 2 दिन के अंदर हमने 18 FIRs लॉन्च की.
सर, क्या कुछ रोहिंग्यास को डिटेन भी किया गया है ड्यूरिंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन?
स्पेसिफिकली इन FIRs के रिलेटेड आई वुड से नो, बिकॉज ये जो FIR लॉन्च हुई हैं, ये FIR स्पेसिफिकली लैंड लॉर्ड्स, जो लैंड ओनर्स हैं, जिनके घरों में वो रह रहे थे, उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई.
दूसरे केसेस में कुछ लोगों को डिटेन किया गया?
नॉट नाउ, इन 3 FIRs में नहीं, लेकिन पहले ये जो हमारे पास ऑफेंसेस मेड आउट हुए हैं वो कानूनी कार्रवाई उनके ऊपर की गई है.
And let's quickly go across to Gursimran joining us live from Jammu. Gursimran, first up, if you can share with us the stats as to how many Rohingyas are estimated to be living illegally, one, and what is the blueprint that the administration has chalked out to crack down on these illegal settlers?
See, Samiksha, this is a phased crackdown that the administration is carrying out. First phase was to register the FIRs against the Rohingyas, those who were giving shelter to the Rohingyas without the intimation to the Jammu and Kashmir police. A total of 18 FIRs were registered, out of which 3 were linked to the cases of the Rohingyas, where the people have given shelter to the Rohingyas without intimation to the Jammu and Kashmir police. The second clampdown was on the illegal Rohingyas. 4 Rohingyas were arrested from the Narwal area of Jammu, and now this is the third clampdown by the civil administration on the Rohingyas. The Revenue Department has identified 409 such families that have been living in this area at 7 locations. 2 locations are in the Sunjwan area of Jammu, while 5 locations are in the Narwal Bala. This order has been given by the Revenue Department from the Tehsildar in the Bahu area to the Department of the Electricity, that is the PDD department, and also to the PWD department that supplies the waters, and they have been given the direction to disconnect the water as well as the electric supply of these Rohingyas. And we visited one of the populated Rohingya camps in Jammu, the location where they have set up 60 families live there. Their electricity and the water supplies have been disconnected with the immediate effect. So the order implementation on ground has been started by the Jammu and Kashmir government.